Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites so you can move fast and safe. First, inventory each affected system and note exact versions. This tells you scope. Next, create and verify backups of config and data so you can roll back if needed. Then fetch vendor patches and their signed checksums. This prevents tampering. While you do those, document login methods and access controls so staged updates won't lock you out. Once done, schedule a maintenance window and notify stakeholders. You now apply fixes in a controlled pipeline. Begin by patching a staging replica, or VM, then run smoke and regression tests to catch obvious breaks. Use scripted installs or your package manager and verify checksums during deployment to ensure integrity. Make sure to exercise critical flows and fuzz high-risk endpoints so quality issues surface early. While tests run, monitor logs and metrics for anomalies and resource spikes. If everything looks healthy, prepare a rollback plan and clear. You finish by deploying cautiously and verifying outcomes. Do a canary or phased rollout so you limit blast radius, and watch the canary for between 1 and 24 hours depending on risk. After each phase, run the full test suite and validate configurations, certificates, and access controls. Make sure monitoring alerts are active and that stakeholders confirm functionality. If something goes wrong, revert immediately using the verified backups and capture logs, diffs, and timestamps for a rapid root cause analysis. That's your key troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.